Hey everyone, sit here with another video on my RC cars, and we have a special car today. We have the Losi LMT son of a digger solid axle monster truck, and we have got a few upgrades in here with the Proline shocks in there to give that extra stability both front and back, with dual springs in there, and also some straps on the both sides of the shocks to limit the shock travel. And we have a very foggy day here, but we have a great skate park, and we are going to see what this can do. So this is what the inside looks like, guys. We have a 130 amp ESC from Spectrum here, as well as the 3600, oops my bad, 3100 kV motor from our motor, and we're going to run a 5200 Z LiPo 3S LiPo to begin with, and let's see how it goes. We are steering. Let's drop it. Let's do a jump here on this ramp. That was quick. Let's try a jump again. Yeah, let's try. I don't think it worked as I wanted. Oh no. Push the battery straps in. Try to see. That was a nice landing. Try to do that again. Shit. We had the battery pop off, but luckily it's a hard case, so we're going to fix that. All fixed up, batteries in there. Let's try and do a few more jumps. No. And I've put some foam tapes on the top to prevent some scratching. Let's see if it can do a black backflip. Not really. That was massive air. Hope I got it in the camera. You can see a piece of this tape has come out, but that's what's been protecting the body, so no worries. Time to this one. So the turning radius is really big on this truck, as you would expect with those monster tires. That often means that I'm not able to hit the ramp when I want to. Let's start. You have a? What?
Go up there.
Yeah.
Start from there.
Yes.
Now slide down.
Yeah.
Jump from there.
Yeah.
Do a flip in the air and land on the flip.
Okay.
You have 3 chances only.
I have 3 chances to do again. So go down from there, jump, do a flip in the air,
Yeah.
and then land. Yeah.
Yeah.
Gonna be tough.
Back flip
Yes.
to make it easier.
Yes. Ready?
Yes.
I'm going to stand here so I can see. That was some flip.
If I would stand here, I would get smashed.
Yeah. bend the chassis.
Not much of a skater.
Shit.
Monster truck got injured.
Yes. Quite badly. Let's see the damage. Oh, this pin already fell.
Battery also fell again.
Yes. And this just came unstuck. This got moved from here. And the whole chassis frame bent, guys. And
Then broke.
broke also. Whew. Had to on 2 pieces. That's what you get sometimes for bashing. So that's it for this video, guys. Gonna try to fix this and see how it goes. Cheers, bye. Hey guys, if you liked my content, please subscribe and ring the bell icon, like, comment and share the video as well. Thanks.